Now another exercise 5. So we will talk about the exercise 5, removing the users, adding users and everything. So how to remove and how to assign the Windows license and everything, we will talk about that as well. Okay, I'm logging to the my Microsoft Entra account, the admin account. Okay, now I'm going to delete the which is earlier created the Chris account. Okay, I'm searching from this user account. So if you want, you can scroll down, you can take it from that. Otherwise, you can search from that user name. So this one, Chris G, you can click and delete. Okay, if not, if you want to disable this account also, you can do the disable. So I will show you to one of these if you can disable as well. So if you want to reset, you can reset that account is enabled. You can click status would be changed to disable. Okay, so let me wait. So it's loading from that. It will take some few seconds to do for this. So let me refresh this page. I think see it's depends on the entire sometime it will slow, maybe internet issue maybe can be happen. Okay, I will delete until that it's load from that. Okay, let me check another user account as well because it's take few seconds. So let me do duplicate. Okay, until delete, so I will show the one of the account has been delete, how to delete from that. After that I will show that how to disable, how to reset the password and everything. Okay, I will go to, okay, Chris G. Okay, where is Chris Green. Okay, you can delete from here as well. Just click delete. Yeah, we can check what are the associate members and as well we can just delete. Okay, now it has been deleted. When you refresh this page, it will show the delete. Okay, if you want to disable this account, for example, you can go to edit. Okay, you can change the groups, you can add for the groups and associate account status account also, you can disable from that as well here. Okay, now if you deleted the account, how to restore? So we should want to know about how to deleted account has been, how can I restore this? So you can see that left side the delete on the options. So you can click this, you can restore. If you want to see bulk users, you can see the how many, like more than 200 or 100 users has been deleted. If by mistakenly, you can restore as well. If you want to delete the paymently, you can delete from that. You can select all, you can delete. If you want to restore the users, you can click restore and click OK. So in this exercise, okay, exercise 5, we will talk how to delete, how to restore and all the exercise. Apart from that, I will show how to enable, how to disable the account and everything. And same time, I'll give small these things. If your users you can check where it is login and the diagnosis signing logins log as well. You can check which location has been logged of the users as well. For example, I will take one of the Krish, okay, the logs, what will happen from that, because we use that, we log that, okay, we can check. So we can go to the signing logs. Also you can check what is the IP address, but it's not, these are the none of the lab environment, just I'm giving the options, okay. See, we can see that everything access logs and IP address, what will happen from that, we multi-factor authenticators and IP address and everything. Signing non-interactive, so also we can check, see Microsoft Graph, all the success, Microsoft Edge and everything. And same time you can assign the logs. Okay, now and same time I show that how to change the status, account status. Also you can click this, you can disable account should be, when you click the untick, it's automatically disabled.